What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your windshield with Purist P7 glass coating. So the first step to coating glass is you want to make sure it's nice and clean. We've already washed the van and cleaned it, and then you can clay the windshield too. If there's any contaminants or bugs, you want to get everything off before you actually apply this coating. I'm going to show you how to polish it too. We're just going to do a light polish on this glass. If you do have etching or any streak marks from the wipers or anything, you can polish it. There's glass pads out there and special glass polishes that you can use to remove all that. This windshield here is pretty clean. I just want to do a general polish, and you can do this with a normal compound and a normal pad, a normal machine, and just get it clean before we actually put the ceramic coating on there. So we're going to teach you step by step on how to do this. First step is to polish the glass. So I'm going to polish this glass here, and I'm not going to polish it aggressively to try to remove any defects or anything in glass. That's really hard to do. I'm just doing this to clean it up. So I'm just going to go on speed 3 here with my Rupes Bigfoot 15. I just have a medium yellow foam pad and the Rehab Adaptive Compound, and I'm just going to go over it 2 or 3 times just to clean this windshield up. It's all wet down here. That's one thing. You don't want any water. You don't want anything to touch this coating. So if you just wash your car and you got like this, see all this water, you want to make sure you dry all that up, and we'll probably use the air compressor to blow all that out. All right, let's polish the other side. All right, so we just polished the windshield. That is optional. What's not optional is the isopropyl alcohol wipe down or panel wipe. You want to make sure everything is removed off the windshield. We just polished it. There may be polishing oils, and that's going to interfere with how the coating's going to adhere to the actual windshield. So to get the most performance and the longevity out of it, we need to make it super, super clean, and we'll do that with this product here, isopropyl alcohol. So we are going to get ready to apply the coating. It comes in a small box. This is enough to do the windshield. They might be able to get a couple other windows on it, but it's not meant to do the whole car. It's meant for just the windshields. Inside of it is the applicator. So you pull out this applicator, and you can see it has the applicator soft foam right on there. And on the top, it has these buttons here. So inside here are 2 little vials of the product that mixes together. The chemical reaction happens with the A and the B product, and that's what is going to protect your car. The ceramic coating's inside there. So what we need to do is press down on both of those applicators on the top here, and it opens up those vials and mixes it together, and then we'll wipe it on the windshield. All right, so when you break the applicator, I like to put it on the windshield and then put my 2 thumbs on there. And you want to press down rather hard, and you're going to hear them snap and pop. So now I like going vertical with the windshield here. And we're just going to wipe that on. We're going to come to the other side. You can see it's just a little bit hazy. That's fine, that's no problem. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go to the other side one more time, make sure I have nice coverage. I keep on wiping that, so you'll see that it's almost dry now. Do the other side one more time. So we're gonna wipe this until we have that nice, even layer. You don't want any extra liquid or anything on there. You can see it's nice and thin. We only have to do 1 layer of this. We have to let it sit on here, that's the cure time, for about 10 minutes. So you can do that, let it sit, maybe do some other stuff, dress the tires, whatever you want to do. But we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we're simply just going to wipe it off with the microfiber. So let's wait our 10 minutes, we'll come back and we'll wipe it down. All right, 10 minutes has passed, and now we can wipe the excess coating off. It's just simple as using 2 microfibers just to be able to wipe it off. Again, I go in up and down strokes because that's the way I want the water to go, not horizontal. So just wipe it off. You can see how easy it comes off. So we're gonna wipe the first initial layer off, flip your towel. You might have to do this a few times to make sure you remove all of that residue. You want it to be super clear. You don't want any hazing left over for you or your customer. So take your time and wipe that. And I brought 2 towels because we always want a clean side. Get the edges real nice. After we wipe everything, you don't want to get this wet for 12 hours. So if it's raining or there's any moisture, keep it inside. Do not get it wet for 12 hours. Otherwise, you can expect it not to work very well. It's got to fully cure. All right, so it is that easy, very simple to do by yourself. We did this in about 20 minutes, even with the polishing. So make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna give you some updates on the performance of this. It says about a year plus. We're gonna find that out. If you got any questions, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Otherwise, subscribe because we got a lot of other videos and cool updates for you.